Hello, welcome to Sherry's Fun Fan Classroom. Will extending leads affect the performance of the cooling fan? Sherry will tell you that in most cases, extending the lead will not significantly affect the normal function of the fan, but it is different for high-power fans. When the lead is lengthened, the resistance will increase, which may lead to a reduction in voltage, thereby reducing the actual operating voltage, reducing the fan speed and air volume to affect the performance of the fan. Especially for some applications that require fans to work at a specific speed or maintain a specific temperature, the impact will be even greater. Moreover, lollies may also introduce electromagnetic interference, affecting the normal operation of the fan and surrounding equipment. However, these effects are not so sensitive to AC fans because they can adjust the speed through 0 to 10 volts or PWM within a certain voltage range to maintain stability. Therefore, we need to make sure we understand the power, current requirements, and the characteristics of the fan before we can decide whether to lengthen the fan lead. If it is a high-power fan and there is a need to extend the lead, then we must ensure that the lead is thick enough to reduce the impact of voltage reduction. Follow us for getting more real stuff about fans.